No, not really. Everything that I went through. There was a reason for that. If the reason is a grand slam, so be it. But if not, I've gotten over it. There is no rancor or any bitterness in my heart because I am a person. I don't allow others to affect what is inside of me. I'm a firm believer in that. What goes on around us and outside of us are small matters compared to what goes on inside of us. And that's how I try to coach my team as well, to continue to focusing on what is inside of us. If we do that, then we give ourselves a better chance to be able to impact and influence what is going on around us. So sa akin, it would be a great honor, obviously, but is it going to erase the ugliness of the past? I don't think so, because it already happened. It's part of history. But I have long gotten over it, and there is, like I said, absolutely no rancor in my